To trade S&P 500 futures. Start by understanding what they are. S&P 500 futures are a type of financial derivative that allows investors to bet on the future value of the S&P 500 index, which is a stock market index that represents the market value of 500 large publicly traded companies in the United States. First, you need to open a futures trading account with a reputable broker that offers S&P 500 futures trading. This will give you access to a trading platform where you can buy and sell S&P 500 futures contracts. Next, you need to understand the basics of S&P 500 futures contracts. Each contract represents a bet on the value of the S&P 500 index at a certain point in the future, typically a month or a quarter. The contract size is 250 times the value of the S&P 500 index. So if the S&P 500 index is at 4,000, one contract would be worth $1 million. To trade S&P 500 futures, you need to decide whether you think the S&P 500 index will go up or down. If you think it will go up, you buy a contract, and if you think it will go down, you sell a contract. You can use various trading strategies, such as technical analysis or fundamental analysis, to make your decision. It is also important to understand the concept of leverage when trading S&P 500 futures. Leverage allows you to control a large contract with a small amount of capital, but it also increases your potential losses. For example, if you buy one S&P 500 futures contract with a margin of 10%, you would need to put up $100,000 to control a contract worth $1 million. To manage your risk, you should set stop-loss orders and limit orders. A stop-loss order will automatically sell your contract if it falls below a certain price, and a limit order will automatically buy or sell a contract at a certain price. Finally, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed trading decisions. You should also continuously monitor your positions and adjust your strategy as needed. In summary, trading S&P 500 futures requires a solid understanding of the basics of futures trading, a well-thought-out trading strategy, and effective risk management techniques. By following these steps and staying informed, you can successfully trade S&P 500 futures and achieve your investment goals.